Hey guys, David HD Trucks and Equipment, Henderson, Tennessee. We've got a very, very nice little equipment hauler to show you here this morning. This is an older girl. This is an 82 custom build. I bought it in Phoenix, Arizona. I needed to haul a big, heavy Sterling mechanic truck with a crane. And so I bought this, loaded the truck on it, drove it here. Absolutely spectacular. All I'm using is a single axle here. Now you don't get the tractor. We're talking about just a trailer here, right? Okay, does not have crank down legs. You just pull that little pin, let the leg drop down, put the pin back in, drive out from underneath it, right? Pretty simple. Heavy, heavy, heavy steel. Nice, nice piece. No leaks or anything up here. Everything works good. That little tool compartment there. This is an 8-foot deck. From here to there, 8 foot. From here to the end of it, what I would call the billy area, is 24 feet. All kinds of tie downs. Holy mackerel, there are tie downs everywhere, even up there on the deck. And look at this. All metal, all steel. There's your frame over there, solid, no issues, no problems, big heavy struts. The thing is really well built. Got the extra steel padding over the wheels here. Tires on it are good. I didn't have to do anything. I bought it. I loaded my truck on it. And we drove it here. So that's 24-foot loading area. You got another 4 foot here for the dovetail that's actually usable because the ramps are vertical. 5 foot ramps. So easy to load, easy to unload. He's just got a couple of little, that just holds the plane in plane there. This is kind of cool. Look at this. That's got air support. Air assist ramps on it, air assist cylinders for lifting and lowering the ramps. So like I say, it's an 82. This ram on this side has a little bit of a leak. Still functional. It doesn't jump up like I'd like it to, but it's not horrible either. We've had guys overhaul those. You know, the seal kits are usually about $100, not that big of a deal. Our insurance absolutely forbids us from getting involved in any type of repairs like that. So that is the way that we will sell it, but not a big deal. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to try to set this up so that maybe you'll be able to have a little view here. Oh, I should show you the switch is right here. It's very simple. Up is up, down is down. I would recommend you driving it with the down position. Just leave these here hooked up. And the reason I would recommend that when you're driving is because otherwise the cylinder may leak a little bit and you may lose a little air pressure and it just gets to be a pain in the butt. So just leave that down and that will have no issues as far as driving and pulling the trailer goes. But when you're going to operate them, you need to start by raising that up and airing up the cylinders. So I'm going to try to do this so that you can see what I'm doing. Okay, that might work. Don't know if you're going to be able to hear me from way back there. But what you do is you take out your little pin, release this here. And I don't want to go down that far because the air pressure will catch it. Come over here to this side. Take out your pin. Take out your brace. And you can let it go. Now they're free and easy, right? Okay, now you can either just slam that switch down, let them drop. I don't like doing that. So what I do is I kind of walk them down a little bit because I think it's hard on them to just bang everything. The tail lights are mounted in them. So that's all there is to it. Now when you raise them back up, because this one cylinder on this side has a little bit of a leak. You can see that one starts going up on its own all by itself. These are not designed to lift it up. Those are heavy ramps. They are designed to be assists only. So I'm going to set this here again, and kind of hard to see what I'm doing, but hopefully that'll be, maybe this will be better back here. I don't know. Hopefully we'll have it back there for you so you can see. So the whole idea is, don't try to be a speed demon, work with it, not against it. Boy, I tell you what, I'm not even out of breath. I'm 67 years old. That's probably the easiest set of ramps I've ever had. Anyway, heck of a trailer. If you can use that thing, you give me a call. I'm Dave with HD Trucks and Equip, located in Henderson, Tennessee. And that is a nice heavy-duty equipment hauler. Once again, thank you for looking.